Okay, I'm going to talk about where all the pi over sixes and pi over threes are on the circle. Just as a reminder, I labeled the four key spots on the circle. We know the pi over fours are the middle dashes. So this is a pi over four. This would have been 2 pi over 4. This is 3 pi over 4. 4 pi over 4 is here. 5 pi over 4. 6 pi over 4 is the bottom, 7 pi over 4 is right here. So those those are the pi over 4s, all the way around is 8 pi over 4. The pi over 6s exist in between the 0 and the pi over 4, all right? Um, and what you're going to notice is the pi over 6s are pretty much all of them except for those pi over 4s. The first pi over 6 is right here. The second pi over 6 is right here, but 2 pi over 6 reduces into pi over 3. All right, so this is a pi over 6 technically, but it's also a pi over 3. So I'm going to highlight that in green because that's a key pi over 3. All right, now the third pi over 6 is the top, but remember 3 pi over 6 reduces to 1/2 pi. Now the next one would be 4 pi over 6. 4 pi over 6 reduces into 2 pi over 3. So I'm going to highlight that one in green so we remember that that's a pi over 3. All right, the next one would be 5 pi over 6. 5 pi over 6 doesn't reduce. All right, 6 pi over 6 would reduce into pi. This one would be 7 pi over 6. That doesn't reduce either. The next one is 8 pi over 6, but 8/6 reduces into 4/3. So this is 4 pi over 3, and I'm going to highlight that in green because it's a pi over 3. All right. The next one is 9 pi over 6. That's the bottom, but 9 pi over 6 reduces to 3/2. Then we get to 10 pi over 6. That reduces to 5 pi over 3. So again, it's going to be highlighted in green for you. All right, here's my pi over 3s. All right, and then the last one is 11 pi over 6. Um, and all the way around the circle is 12 pi over 6.